Batbird, 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 Batbird. No, 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 no. Batbird.
Showtime. Huh? Never fear, Batbird's here. And well, Robin. Oh. So what? Do you need rescuing? No thanks. Come on, let's go see if we can help next. Hello? Anyone need rescuing? Okay, no one wants to be rescued. Hey, Ma! Don't do that! Sorry, I just wanted to show you this new remote control toy I have. What? Look! Never fear, Bird Mite's here! Hi, Batbird! I'm your #1 fan! Yay! Yeah! Will you just step away so we can do our hero duties? Did you like that, though? If I can't find one person, huh? There you go. Thank you. You're welcome. You can't catch me. To the Birdmobile. Away! Huh? It's a Birdmobile! Yeah! Huh? I'll take that. Hey! Thank you, little Robin. You're welcome.